Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a table in HTML. This is part of Aswin tutorials and is also part of the technology series. So first of all, you need to add a necessary code. So you need to add a basic code of the web page. So as you can see, this is the doc type HTML, the HTML tags you need, the head tags you need, and the body tag, which is the thing we need to add the table tag. So now we need to add the table tag. So you add a table tag inside the body tag, as you can see here, an opening and a closing tag. So now we're going to focus on adding the table headers. So now we need to add a thead tag. So that goes inside the table tag with an opening and closing tag. Now we're going to have to add a tr tag. It's a tag that adds a row. In this case, we only need to add one since we're adding the headers. So this is the code inside the table tag. The table here, the thead tag, and this is inside of the thead tag. And now we need to add a th tags. That is a tag designed for headers in HTML5 tables. It bolds the text. You need to add multiple th tags so you can have multiple columns. So this is the code inside the table tag. So the table is here, the thead, the tr, and this is the th tags. You can see I labeled column 1, and the second column, column 2. And now we're going to focus on adding the table content. So first of all, you need to add a tbody tag. You need to add an opening and closing tag, and it's used to add the main content to the table. So this is the code inside the table tag so far. So table, the thead, and the stuff we just added here, and this is right below the thead tag. And now we're going to have to add a tl element. That element is used to add a row in the header or the body content. And this is the code so far inside the tbody element. So the tbody and the tl is inside of the tbody tag. And now we're going to have to add the td elements. It's used to add columns inside the tl tag. You need to add td elements to as much columns as you have inside the thead tag. And this is the code so far inside the tbody tag. The tbody opening and closing, the tl tag opening and closing. And the first row is this, the first column I meant is this, and this is the second column. And then you can just follow the previous steps if you want to add many rows. And now we want to focus on adding the table footer. So you need to add the tfoot tag. It's used for the table footer. So the tfoot tag is right below the tbody tag. And I just wrapped up these lines because we don't need them right now. So you need to add the tl tags along with the td tags. So there is no special column tag for the footer like the header. So the header has a different tag, but the footer doesn't. The tfoot tag requires at least one or more tl tags. So this is the code. So the tfoot, and along with the row I just added, with adding footer column 1 and footer column 2. And this is how it will look like in the browser. And if you want to add borders, you have to see the CSS tutorials. The slides are available as Aswin's tutorials by Aswin's Good Apps. See you soon. Goodbye.